about what do you like to do. Let's go. Are you ready for that? Hey, my friend. Hi. Hello. What do you like to do? I like to run. What do you like to do? I like to eat. What do you like to do? I like to write. What do you like to do? I like to jump. What do you like to do? I like to read. What do you like to do? I like to swim. What do you like to do? I like to drink. What do you like to do? I like to jump. What do you like to do? I like to watch TV. What do you like to do? I like to play games. What do you like to do? I like to play cricket. What do you like to do? I like to draw pictures. What do you like to do? I like to chat with my friends. What do you like to do? I like to read storybook. What do you like to do? I like to sleep. What do you like to do? I like to do study. What do you like to do? I like to speak English. What do you like to do? I like to sing a song. What do you like to do? I like to dance. What do you like to do? I like to cook. What do you like to do? I like to ski. What do you like to do? I like to swing. What do you like to do? I like to clap. What do you like to do? I like to catch. What do you like to do? I like to kick. What do you like to do? I like to throw. Friends, do practice of what do you like to do. Bye bye.